My name is Byrone Cole, and today I'm going to be telling you about our biology program. The biology department is only one aspect of our science courses, but in order to go in depth on each subject, we've given chemistry and physics their own videos. Before I let the faculty introduce themselves, we're going to spend a little time going over the program itself. After a brief introduction, we'll talk about some of the different courses that are available to our students, as well as opportunities they can find outside of the classroom. Almost all science classes consist of two components, a lecture and a lab. Lectures meet on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and labs meet on either Tuesday or Thursday. All Louisiana public school students must take an intro to biology course. If you haven't taken Biology 1 before enrolling at LSMSA, I can almost guarantee you it'll be your first science course here. Beyond an introductory level course, LSMSA offers a variety of specialty courses. Rather than use my time to read this list, I'll give you a moment to pause the video and check them out for yourself. As for extracurricular opportunities, students have a variety of options, from the feature science program to different science conventions. The Science Speaker Series even brings in scientists to talk about their field of expertise. And finally, I can't talk about extracurricular programs in science without mentioning the research opportunities our students have access to. In addition to the independent research with LSMSA faculty from the previous page, students can choose to spend their summer joining a research program as well. Most students choose to complete their program here in state, but every year we have students who visit the Research Triangle in North Carolina to work with professors at Duke, UNC, or NC State. Upon returning for their senior year, students will often present their research as a capstone or distinction project during our annual Blue and Gold Week. One of the things we pride ourselves on the most at LSMSA is our phenomenal faculty. Our 3 biology teachers have earned a PhD in their field, and they have more than 30 combined years of experience teaching at our school. Rather than trying to tell you about them myself, I'm actually going to step away and let them take it away from here. Dr. Landry?
Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Allison Landry. I'm one of the biologists at Louisiana School. I'm also the science department chair. I got my PhD from Louisiana State University in animal science. I studied reproductive physiology and I grew embryos. Here at LSMSA now I teach general biology, I teach human anatomy and physiology, I teach botany, and then some other electives like molecular and cellular biology. I also sponsor the Biology Olympiad, Envirothon, and Botany Club.
Hello, my name is Dr. Maggie Hodges. I've been here at LSMSA for 12 years. I got my PhD in biology from the University of Cincinnati, and my area of expertise is animal behavior and ecology. And so that is reflected in the elective classes that I teach, animal behavior, ecology, and zoology. I also sponsor the Animal Welfare Club and the Earth Care Club, and I've taken students on international trips with a conservation biology bent to Baja, Mexico, Galapagos Islands, and Belize.
My name is Dr. Jason Anderson, and I've been teaching at LSMSA for nearly 10 years. I got my PhD from Texas A&M University, and some of the courses that I teach here, I teach introductory biology, lecture, and lab, but I also teach principles of genetics and modern genetics, lecture and lab, which are courses that I took when I was getting my master's and PhD at Texas A&M. I also teach a survey of the atmosphere course because I'm a weather nerd and I love the weather. I also help coach a couple sports, basketball, flag football. I'm also the curriculum coordinator for a summer bridge program called Excel, and I'm also the new chair of the IDEA Council.
Well, that does it for biology. A huge thank you to our teachers for stopping by and telling them a little bit about themselves. If you want to learn more about our science program, be sure to check out our videos on chemistry and physics. To learn more about our school, or if you have any questions, use the contact information below. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you next time on another episode of LSMSA in 5 minutes or less.